We live in a crazy world, right? One minute you're scrolling through pictures of your cousin's new baby, who frankly looks like a potato. The next minute you're seeing ads for baby clothes and parenting books. Creepy, sure, but also kind of amazing. This is the power of data. Companies are collecting tons of information about you, everything from your age and location to your online shopping habits and, yes, even your political leanings. This data is valuable, like digital gold. Why? Because it can be used to predict your behavior, your preferences, even your political leanings. And that's where things get a bit scary. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a story that's more twisted than a pretzel factory. This isn't just about annoying ads anymore. This is about the potential manipulation of our thoughts, our beliefs, and ultimately, our votes. So, how did we get here? How did companies become digital puppet masters? 2 words: artificial intelligence. AI and data analytics have become incredibly sophisticated. We're talking algorithms that make Einstein look like a preschooler playing with blocks. These algorithms can analyze massive amounts of data, spotting patterns and making connections that humans could only dream of. And guess what? We're feeding these algorithms more and more data every single day. Every click, every like, every comment is like throwing another log on the fire. Companies use this data to build profiles on us, these creepy little digital dossiers that tell them everything they need to know. Think about that. The next time you're about to like a post about your love for chunky peanut butter, you might be unwittingly giving away the keys to your digital soul. Now let's talk about the main story. This company which we are talking about took data harvesting to a whole new level, like stealing candy from a baby, except the candy was your personal information and the baby was people like you. They created a personality quiz on social media, you know, the kind that tells you what kind of cheese you are based on your music taste. Harmless, right? Wrong. This quiz collected data not just from the people who took it, but also from their friends. That's right. Your buddy who still uses the poking feature on social media might have accidentally handed over your data to a company that wanted to mess with your mind. Sneaky, right? Then this company used this data to create targeted political ads during the 2016 US presidential election and the Brexit referendum. They showed people messages designed to play on their fears, their biases, their deepest desires. It was like psychological warfare, but instead of bombs, they used carefully crafted social media posts. It's enough to make you want to delete all your social media accounts and go live off the grid. This scandal was a wake-up call. People started to realize just how much power these tech companies have and how vulnerable our data really is. Governments around the world started to take notice, passing laws to protect our digital privacy. But is it enough? The answer, unfortunately, is probably not. The technology is evolving faster than the laws can keep up. We need to be vigilant, demanding transparency from these companies and holding them accountable for how they use our data. We need to be mindful of what we share online and who we share it with. This isn't about being anti-technology. It's about making sure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. It's about protecting our right to privacy, our right to think for ourselves, our right to a free and fair democracy, because if we don't, well, then we're the real potatoes. Thank you.